What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Now listen, if you've been keeping up with my channel, which you should be, because I'm dropping gems every freaking time I put up a video. I've actually been doing pretty good the past couple of days. I think this whole week I've uploaded every single day. So if you've been enjoying the daily uploads, smash the like button. It is a lot of work, but I genuinely enjoy uploading on this channel. So if you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications, because you're gonna want to be notified whenever I post, because you're gonna want to be able to get into these different projects and coins right when I say to get into it, not when everybody else got into it. You feel me? You do not want to miss a video, because like I said, I'm dropping gems. But today is a very fun day. Today is a follow-up of the video I made literally 1 week ago when I bought my first strong block node. You know what I'm saying? I put down a good amount of money to get into it. If you guys have not watched that video, make sure you go back and watch that video first. In that video, I explained what strong block is, what their nodes are. I explained exactly how you can buy one. I literally went through the whole tutorial, the whole process of buying one, was showing you guys how to do it. And yeah, so make sure you guys watch that video before you come to this video. This video is literally just an update on how it's been going literally a week later. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how much I made personally this past week of having it. I'm also going to tell you guys my thoughts on the project, if I think it's still worth investing in, if I would buy more, if I would not buy more, what I plan on doing in the future. It's all going to be in this video, so make sure you guys smash the like button, because this is about to be a super spicy, super fuego, super lit video, and let's just hop right into this. All right, so boom, here we are, strongblock.com. Somebody had pointed out in my previous video, they said inside the comments down below, what I said down below, but they said it in the comments that I kept calling it something else, like strong node blocks or something weird like that. But today I will be pronouncing it correctly, strong block nodes. You know what I'm saying? I've actually been keeping up with them a lot on Twitter, as well as watching a bunch of YouTube videos on it, because I want to see where the project is going. They're talking about a couple different things. They actually do an AMA every single week, so that's something you guys should definitely look into if you were looking to get into this project, just so you learn more about the person who's running it, as well as the project itself. Like I said, you can literally go on Twitter and learn so much about this stuff, and then of course go on their website, read their white paper and all that. But I explained that inside the first video. You guys are just here to see how much money I made, so we can hop right into this. I believe when I actually hopped into it, they had 148,000 nodes or something like that. Now, of course, we can see they have 151,000 nodes. So a lot of nodes are being created. It's kind of like trendy now, I guess. Well, not even trendy. A lot more people are learning about it, just because it's just a great source of passive income, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. Let's get this out the way. I have to get this out the way. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. I'm not a tax person. I'm not none of that. We're just friends. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to push y'all on to what I'm on, so we can all make money together. We all eat together. We don't really lose, you know what I'm saying? Because you don't lose until you sell it, and we don't sell, because then that would mean we lose. And like I said, we don't lose. But let's just talk about the fact that we eat together, you know what I'm saying? And we try all these different things together. Or you guys can just watch my videos and watch me try all this stuff. Literally, I put up a video yesterday, probably the riskiest investment I ever did in my entire life. And I literally did it just for the video. Of course, I'm gonna put an update on that, so stay tuned if you have not watched that video already. They was offering some crazy APYs, but that's besides the point. I was saying all that to say, either you guys can hop into stuff with me, or just watch me do it and see if it works or not. But here we are, back on the topic, Josiah. I don't know why I always do this, but we're on strongblock.com. If we go right here, press create your node now, then it brings us to the dashboard. It brings us to the app part of StrongBlock. I actually have to connect my wallet. I think I'm on the wrong network right now, so let's go to MetaMask, switch to Ethereum blockchain. Here we are. So this is my node right here. I called it Java Placer number 1. Obviously, if I put number 1, I thought I would be buying some more. I'll get into that later on. And then I described it, or the description is passively winning, because we're winning passively, you know what I'm saying? I did pay the fees. I explained inside the first video, there is a $15 monthly fee for every single node that you have. If you have 100 fees, you have to pay the fee off on all your nodes every 30 days, because if you don't do it, they will destroy your node, and once they destroy your node, you cannot get it back, and you basically just lose your node and all that. So I just paid it Recently, you can pay it up to 90 days. I just paid it up to 60 days. Literally, I think the day after I bought it, or something like that. I don't know, but it's due in 52 days. So make sure if you have a node, you stay up to date with that, because you would hate to come on here one day and see all of your nodes gone and you just cry yourself to sleep. But as you see here, it says my rewards is 0.7356 strong coins. It was created on November 11th. My rewards is 0.7356. I literally just said that. I have not claimed it yet. It's kind of been sitting in there because I really have not checked this. I like to invest in these things, especially like if I'm doing it for a video. I don't like to already know how much I made on these things before I make a video about it. But that being said, all we're gonna do is come here. We're gonna go copy this amount, 0.7356. Then we're gonna go to our strong on coinmarketcap.com. I showed you guys how to do this before. You can calculate how much you own of something, or how much what you have is worth. So like if you wanted to go to some coin that's not on Coinbase or any regular exchange that shows the actual dollar amount that you have, it just shows how many coins you have. Just go to coinmarketcap.com and all of them will have whatever to USD converter. So it could be strong to USD converter, it could be time to USD converter, Bitcoin to USD converter. And all you do is come over here and type in the amount that you have. So if I have 63,416 strong, it equals some money that I would like to have in my bank account. You know what I'm saying? So let's see how much we have generated this past week completely passively. I've done nothing with it. I literally left it alone. I have not looked at it. It's 0.7356. 0.7356. We have made exactly, my cat is screaming. Simba always does this when I start recording. He does not want everybody to eat. Simba, sir, I'm trying to teach the people how to make money. You don't care at all? And y'all be thinking I'll be starving this man. The man eats mad food. He's screaming for no. Anyways, we've made $500 in the past 7 days with doing absolutely nothing. That's off a $7,000 investment, give or take a little bit of money because we had to pay the gas fees. But to get into this, you technically just need 10 strong tokens, no matter what the price of strong is. If we look here, each strong token is worth $680. It was down all of yesterday if we look at it, and some of today as well. It had dropped all the way down to $624. The lowest point it had, I think that was it, $624. But it was dropping down the past day or so. I bought it in when it was at like $700 something per token. But like I was saying, we made $500 in 1 week off of a $700 investment. Now, if we do the math on that to calculate the percentage that we have made, let me bring this over here so you guys can see it. How we calculate that is we're going to do 500, I believe this is how you do it, divided by 7,000. Let's say that's how much I put in. And that's not how much I made within a week. So 500 divided by 7,000 equals, we made 0.071% in 1 week. That is passively, completely passively. So if I put $100,000 in there, I would have made $7,000 in 1 week. That's 7%. That's pretty great. I should put $100,000 in this and make $7,000 passively every week for doing nothing. But that is some absolute gain, some absolute great gains passively. I keep saying the word passively. It's just, passively is just such a fun word. Passively literally means I'm pooping, I'm taking a shower, I'm sleeping and making money. That's what I love so much about passive income. If you guys, I have a bunch of different passive income streams right now. If you guys want me to do a video on that, I really can. Just like the video right now and make sure you comment down below, Josiah, do the passive income video. If I see enough comments, then I'll do it and show you guys exactly how much I'm making completely passively. This is a great addition. 7% on a weekly basis for passive income is absolutely amazing. Now keep in mind, this coin is down as well. So if this coin had went up, let's say each coin was worth 800 bucks, I'd be up way more than $500. So honestly, in my opinion, right, going forward with these strong notes, it's addicting. You know what I'm saying? It's just so addicting with such a great source of passive income, literally paying you for doing nothing. Of course, you have to invest your money. You'll make your money back after 3 months, and then all of that will be straight profit. If you're thinking about it, it is a 3 months to regain all your money back on an investment is a very short time in the real world. But like we say, crypto is very fast paced compared to the real world. So 3 months in crypto is like 20 years in the real world. But in the real world, I can't even talk. But you guys know what I'm saying. This is some great passive income. Moving forward, I actually want to get a lot more strong nodes. I've been following people that have had 50, 60, 70 strong nodes, and I'm like, bruh, if I can have 50, 60, 70 strong nodes, everybody can, you wanna go to Chuck E. Cheese? I got you. You wanna eat off the dollar menu? Order one of everything. I got you. You know what I'm saying? So moving forward, literally, seriously, I think I'm gonna buy 4 more. I wanna hold 5 of these at a time. If we do the calculations on that, 5 times the amount I made this past week, let's say we keep doing this for the rest of my freaking life. If we do 500 times 5, come on, quick maths, $2,500 every single week, completely passively for doing nothing. So I might go ahead and buy 4 more nodes. I don't know yet. I'm still doing a lot of research. It's still a little iffy. They are talking about halving the profits, but it's not set in stone. Nothing is set in stone yet. So I'm kind of just like playing it by ear right now to see if I will invest more in this. But as of right now, I'm very bullish on this whole concept as a whole. Not even just the coin, not even just the passive income it can make, but the concept as a whole. I'm very bullish on it. They have a bunch of different partnerships coming out with Phantom. I think they actually did do it. Matic as well. So it's a project that's still growing. It hasn't mooned. It has not reached its peak. It's still growing. I just love being a part of it. So that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you do leave a like right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. You think I'm stupid for buying more? Would you guys get into this? Do you guys have any? Are you one of the people that got 50, 60, 70 nodes? If you are, DM me on Instagram. I want to be friends. You know what I'm saying? But that is really about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment it down below, or like I said, DM me on Instagram. I love responding to you guys' DMs. If you have any DMs of any different projects you guys want me to test out, I will do it. Literally, somebody just put me onto this coin that made me 700% in the past 2 hours. So that was great. So if there's more of y'all that got that type of pull, hit me up on Instagram at @Juvert_. And if I go into the coin, I'll obviously shout you out. I love trying out different projects. I can be you guys' guinea pig. If you guys don't feel like throwing money in something, show it to me, and if I feel like throwing money in it, I'll put it on the video, and we'll just have a good time seeing if I lose all my money or make millions of dollars. Hopefully the latter. But like I said, that's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe with the post notifications on, because we are dropping straight gems and whenever I drop videos, which is pretty frequently now. Yeah, but good luck on all your trades, good luck on all your crypto, good luck on your businesses, good luck on life as a whole, man. I'm see you on the next video.